Hey, I'm David from Hybrid Racing, and in this video, we'll talk about some of the Haltech accessories we use on our Honda Civic Type R. One of the most important sensors on any car is the wideband oxygen sensor. We use the Haltech WB1 incorporated to our Haltech 1500 ECU. It's a direct CAN bus wideband sensor, so there's no extra weird wiring needed. It just plugs right in and you can display it straight to the screen or to your ECU. Another cool accessory to have is the Haltech button pad or the keypad, which allows you to preset different parameters or functions for your car, like cruise control, traction control, boost by gear, different throttle maps and things like that. So you can program the buttons, and then when you're ready to activate, you just press it in the car, and because it's CAN bus, it's already connected instantly and you're done. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you're using a suite of Haltech accessories, there are only so many CAN bus ports. So Haltech recommends using a CAN bus hub, which allows you to connect a variety of different accessories through one box. If you have any questions about any Haltech parts or accessories, we'd love to talk to you. Give us a call or check us out online, hybridracing.com.